How to study wave theory. In this video, we're going to discuss a study plan for wave theory, and I'll give you a small mental model that you can follow to make a view in the market. It's very simple and very easy to do. First thing we need to understand is what wave theory helps us solve. It gives us a probable path in the market based on some rules and theory. This probable path is what we call a view or a wave count. Now, before we learn how to make a view, we must first understand and finish absorbing the theory and rules properly. For this, we will start making a study plan for practicing the rules and identifying the wave counts. Now, identifying waves is the most critical part of wave theory. Follow this study plan after you complete the study material. It does not matter if you have finished Elliot Wave Master Course or you've finished the advanced concept. Both you can apply this same study material. Now for this entire study plan, we'll just use a 15-minute chart. It can be any chart, whether it's gold, silver, crude oil, Nifty, Bank Nifty, any stock, anything you want. Start with 15-minute time frame first, and the first week, minimum 2 hours per day, backtest to spot the wave patterns. Meaning you go back in history, just look at wave patterns, where they form, how they form. That's all. Just see the patterns and note the subwaves as much as possible. Now week 2, minimum 30 minutes per day, do back testing. 1.5 hour, we'll go to the live market and find patterns, pattern identification. Note down your expectation and later note down what happened. All right, this is what you're going to do. First, learn the back testing part in week 1. In week 2, we're going to apply. We're continuing the back test for 30 minutes per day, and 1.5 hour, we're doing live market. Now we'll go to week 3. In week 3, we're totally going into the live market. Now 2 hours per day minimum, go to the live market, pattern identification on 2 different time frames. Now I'll give you a combination. Same chart. Combination is first 5-minute, 15-minute combination. So one side you keep 15-minute chart, the other side you keep 5-minute chart. Or second combination is 15-minute, 1 hour. Now the same chart, note your expectation and later note down what happened. Follow this for week 3. Now week 4, your entire focus is identifying the low risk setups. All the low risk setups have been covered in the Elliot Wave Master Course. Now, after you do this, in the week 4 part, this we call a loop stage, meaning you have to do it over and over again. So how long should I do this? Till you reach one stage where you are able to identify the low risk patterns, low risk setups, but it will be offline, meaning after the market has made the move, you will find it. This is one stage which all of you will reach, where low risk patterns, you're able to see it offline or when the move is already finished. All right. But the real stage for a trader is you want to catch this before the move comes. This is the point where you will understand, yes, I need to shift to the advanced concepts level. All right. Now, after completing the study plan, when you go to the charts to make a view, we want a step-by-step approach to break down any chart. This approach is mostly in the mind. Please note that the formula which I'm going to share with you is only meant for the advanced concept members, because to understand it completely, you need full knowledge of the advanced concepts. Now, this formula is very easy. For people listening to it for the first time, it might sound complicated. This formula can be used to approach any chart, any wave pattern. So the formula is as follows. We start with the previous wave, then comes your starting point, your current wave structure you have to study, validation points, if this structure is valid or not. And then there's some extra analysis which the advanced concept members will know. Then we go to the view, right? All this combined, you form a view. There are 3 views you need to make for any chart you are tracking. The first one is the primary view. Second is called the secondary view. Third one is called I don't know. It basically means wait and watch. These are the 3 views for any chart you must make. Market will guide you and tell you which view is correct. This is the exact correct approach. to applying wave theory in the market. Now, there are a few more lectures on this topic: how to build a view on wave theory using mental model, multiple time frames, mental model in the Indian markets, this model in gold, commodities, cryptos, Forex, mental model for investors. These lectures are exclusive only for the advanced concept members. As I told you earlier, you need full knowledge of the advanced concepts to understand this model. Again, it's very simple. The only thing, for the first time listeners, it might sound complicated. So to summarize the entire video, we have a study plan as soon as we complete our theory, that is your Elliot Master Course on YouTube or your advanced concepts. After you finish the study plan, you will have a very good grasp of the theory itself. Then we go to the market to make a view. How to make a view? We'll use a mental model. And in that mental model, we have 3 different types of views we can make: your primary, secondary, and third view. So by tracking these 3 views at every stage or every wave structure, you will have absolute clarity and you will not get trapped in the market. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that your ideas should be your own, should not be taken from someone else. This is where your ability will increase. Thank you guys. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care and be safe.